Hey, so I just received the technical license, also the window switches panel, and this panel arrived, so I'm gonna try to change it. I also got the new rear bumper, and today we'll put it on. I almost forgot. New upgrade, Mr. Octopus. The car is inside the garage and we can begin actually. Okay, today we can really record because some weird neighbors are coming. He's trying to be straight like 5 minutes, but okay. Maybe he will be satisfied at some point.
What's up? No!
Hey, what's up guys? So today...
I ripped it off! Oh shit!
Second one! Yeah, so... we are continuing work on the Golf and it's going...
But the bright point is, there are 2 holes, so
yeah.
we can use the other one.
So it's going well, as you can see. We already stripped 2 bolts, as you can see here.
No way.
It's because, well, it's extremely rusted. So like the hangers for the bumper are extremely rusted. And I don't know if... Did you show them the new bumper?
What?
Did you show them the new bumper?
Of course, but you can do as well.
Okay, so this is the new bumper. It's from a GTI, I guess. And this is not yeah, this is the old one, and it's pretty beat up. So we just decided to replace it, and we got it for a deal price, like a really good price. So yeah, I guess we should show them.
Yeah, and I did like 600 kilometers because of it.
That's a detail.
But I enjoyed it.
Exactly. It's about the pure driving enjoyment. Now, these are the side skirts.
This one is not rusted.
Oh no! Wait, let's go.
Yeah. It goes up.
Ooh.
It's unbelievable.
Damn.
Very nice.
First things first, we should get the taillights out. Then we will loosen these bolts, or loosen, well,
okay.
We already snapped 2 and loosened 2, so...
But it is complete.
Yeah, it's complete, so we also need to get like these out, these bolts, I don't know where they are. Oh, here and here. And yeah, that should be it. Then we'll drop the bumper and see if this one fits. But the main problem that we are thinking that we will going to have is the exhaust, because as you can see, this one has an exhaust cutout right here, but this one doesn't have an exhaust. So, well, it does have an exhaust, but it doesn't have like a tip. It just turned down. So we probably will all have to fabricate something later down the line. But yeah.
Yeah, we are putting down the right taillight, yeah.
And we ran into a little problem. So like, if you can see,
it holds by this plastic. Where it is? This?
Yeah. And they should look like this. But
wait, show me.
Okay, so they should look like this.
Wait, I can't focus.
Okay, cool. So they should look like this, and you should be able to put this bit on them. It's a 13mm bit.
13.
Now.
But whatever.
This one looks like a circle. I don't know why, but it doesn't look right. So somebody probably over-tightened it, and I think I have an idea how to fix it, but I don't know if it's going to work. So
we're gonna use the paper.
this piece of paper here, and then here, and now I just have to like push it in. Therefore, it should seal up the damage. It worked a second ago. Well, as you can see, the taillight is still on. It didn't work. Surprisingly, it didn't work. I thought it would.
So after, I don't know, 20 minutes of fighting,
About 20 minutes, yeah.
I was able to, I don't know how, I put it off.
I don't know where it is. It was here, probably.
Well, look at it. It is not really visible, but
Yeah,
it is
it's
completely ripped off.
So we have to figure out how to put another one in, or to put this one back on, because then we have no way to secure the taillight. But
Very nice.
yeah, we should be able to proceed now. So as you can see, we can pull out the taillight.
Okay, this should be 20 Torx 20. Yeah, and it is.
It looks like.
So there are 3 on each side.
No idea.
Okay, so these are 4 last ones. And then we should be able to put it off.
Yeah. We say should be, because we don't know if it actually will work.
Yeah.
Maybe there will be some magical spell holding it in and it won't budge, but yeah, we'll see.
We should be able to put it off.
Yeah. Now. Everything is...
Oh, whoa.
It maybe. Okay, my side is off completely.
Oh,
I did!
Oh, wait.
Oh,
There's
shit, yeah,
there's
the cables. We forgot about the cables!
Oh, no.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice.
I didn't look for like 5 seconds when you did this. So, do you guys remember how he said that it should be easy? Well, it's not. This connector doesn't want to budge, so... yeah.
My back.
Yeah. So we figured out why it wasn't coming out. So they actually painted over, or like into, the housing of the connector.
So it was used like glue.
Yeah, so... I mean, it's finally off, so that's like a good thing. Look how much trash is in there, jeez. So much trash.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's, I guess, clean it. Yeah, we should clean it now.
Yeah, definitely.
So, this is it now, and then this. So, it's not actually a lot better, but we just needed to get like the main dirt out. And now we should probably fit this bumper on it. Probably, yes, finally,
Yeah.
maybe, yes, let's go! Okay.
Okay. O to zlepší.
That was sick, bro.
Man, that's so much better.
That looks good. Of course, we have to buy this cap, which is already ordered. It will.
Yeah, it sure is. It sure
will
is.
be.
But what I was afraid of is
The paint.
the color, and it is perfect.
Well, it's
It is seamless. You
So-
can't see the
Basically,
transition.
This
It
is
perfect.
this is OEM paint, so it should be perfect. If
Yeah.
it wasn't, then we would be pissed off. But I mean, it's a Volkswagen, so what do you expect? Also, this is the situation with the exhaust that we had. The exhaust is here, and we need it around here. So what we are thinking is maybe cutting it out like this. Just cut it out and weld some exhaust tips like to here, or just buy a GTI exhaust and just fit it like that. I think that would be way easier and it would look much more OEM.
Such nice weather. Till you look here.
Yeah, it's windy as completely windy.
But it's sunny. But only on one side.
And to stay healthy while filming, we eat curd cheese.
Well, we bought some stuff. Now we got a food break.
So we've done a VCDS scan, and we've got quite a lot of issues, as you can see. Now we will try to troubleshoot most of these, but a lot of these are basically just stuff that we don't really need to fix, or are basically just lights and maybe some sensors that are quite useless for our use. So yeah, come here, come check this out. So the first one we have with what's this? This is with the AC. It's just probably a leak in the AC, so the AC probably won't work. Then we also have Central Electrics, and this is, as I said, these are basically just fuses and lights and something. We will try to check the fuses and fix them and try to find out like which ones are wrong, because this indicates to me that it's just literally just fuses. So this should go all away, it should be fixed, and then the electric stuff in this car should be maybe fixed. We won't be doing it right now, we will probably leave it for the next video, because it's quite late now and it's actually really cold. So this is probably it for today. We'll film the outro right here. This is the end of the video. Yes.
That sounds so dramatically.
Yeah, so we finished the bumper. It looks nice, as you will see in the footage. That was before this probably, yes. Oh, whoa. Okay. So make sure to subscribe, to like, to comment if you want. Then in the next video we will be probably doing
It's much better.
the side skirts. We had to fix the rust, quite a lot of rust. But yeah, that should be it for today. At least I think. Do you have anything more to say?
Cheers.
Cheers. So today we are trying to fit these two bumpers. Nebo ty jsem povedal, tak nevím, co robíme.
So this is the funny part.
Shit.
I don't know why, but it's stuck in here. Je to neprirodzené.
And to stay healthy, we didn't find any more issues. Good. We are trying to. What then? I don't know what to do. Cut.
To čo tam aj tak hovno